How to resolve the restore drill is disabled for standard destination AhsayCBS issue. After logging into the AhsayCBS web console as an admin user, then starting a restore drill from the AhsayCBS web console. The following message is shown. For example, restore drill is disabled for standard destination AhsayCBS. To enable restore drill for AhsayCBS destination, click on Policy Group tab. Click on Default Settings. And select Backup Set Settings. Under Standard Destination, locate AhsayCBS and select the Restore Drill option. Click on Save icon to confirm setting. Select a backup user account and backup set. Start a restore drill job. The job is successfully started. Click on Live Activities and select the Restore Drill tab to monitor the status of the job.